So welcome to part 2 of the install of the Uniden R7 on a 2016 Subaru STI. For this part, you're gonna need a screwdrivers, Phillips screwdriver. It's gonna be needed to. There are two screws here that we need to take care of. So we'll take care of that, and then you can also use a flathead if you have one, or a plastic trim removal tool, just like this one. We're gonna use these for easy access on some of these parts here. So yeah, first steps is gonna be, I'll show you next. There are two tabs, two little small tabs in here. You pretty much use the removal piece. You press it and it takes it right out. Then we're gonna remove with the same thing. There are two little grooves in these pieces here, which I'll show afterwards. Use this piece here, push it, it takes it right back out. And then once this is out, and then we have this removed, and we're gonna have a lot of access here to see the cables that are behind here. So let's get into it. All right, so yeah, like I mentioned, the groove is right here and right here. So you take this piece, press right on it, pops it right out. Take this one. Pops it right out. Yeah, let's do that again. All right, now with that piece off, what you want to do, if you want to remove your bulbs, and then after that, then you want to unscrew here and here. All right, so to take these out, there's gonna be, see that tab right here. Once you press right there, it brings it right out. So go ahead and press it. It's a little bit difficult to do with the camera, but yep, you hear that click. So you want to do that for both sides, and then you're gonna end up just like that. All right, so once you have these out here, there, also this piece is out. You have the option of disconnecting all of this so that this is out of the way, but it's not necessarily needed now. There's a tab, that tab right there. That's what's still holding this on. What you got to do carefully, just got to pull down on it. So you hear it pop just like that. So now, as you can see, you got all the freedom there. See, like here, comes down, so you have access. So we're gonna find the plug should be, I believe it should be this one right here. Just gotta figure out now the positive and the negative, and then we're gonna route the cable from the wire tap. Once again, I don't even know what I did with it, but yeah, the cable from the wire tap, we're gonna route it, through here, and it's gonna connect right here for the power. All right, so let's get that. All right, guys. So when you have the auto dimming mirror installed, so my mirror here is auto dimming. Usually when you do not have it installed, you would get this piece right here. So this piece and this, so it will be connected and will be wrapped up in there. So after you have all of this undone, and you have access to this section here, let's say you did not have it, what you want to do is find this plug is going to be wrapped up. It's going to have, well, mine had a blue tape and it had this piece. The auto dimming mirror, when you buy it, it comes with this end right here, which runs and powers the mirror. So it's pretty much a plug and play, right? These cables here are here from factory. So anyways, auto dimming. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap. So the color code here is gray, black, white, and the other colors. So what we want to do is we're gonna take this guy here, and we're gonna tap the black into the black and the red into the white. So these are the two wire taps. So you see the black end there is gonna go to the black, and the red is gonna go into the white. All right, catch you back in a little bit. All right, so right here I have it plugged in, like I told you. So the black to the black, and then the red to the white. The way to insert it, because I was struggling a little bit, is to turn the connectors flat. So these they go in flat, and then you put them in, and then you plug in this second piece here, which is that what goes, damn, that door didn't, anyways, which is that goes here. So yeah, pretty much moment of truth. So then you plug it into the radar. 1 second. All right, you plug it into your radar detector. Bam, you want to turn on the car, and there it is, we got power. All right, next step, sort out all the wiring, put all of this back together, and that's it, job done. All right, so now I have everything plugged in. I didn't need to use the zip ties for the cables or anything, because I have this piece that came with the auto dimming mirror, so the cables are nicely tucked in there. As you can see, if you look around here, you see the cables are exiting right there. One goes to the auto dimming mirror, and then the other cable is for the wire tap. So pretty clean install. Back here, what I like to do, for the auto dimming cable, I like to run it behind there. Before I had no rattles or anything, so it should be fine. All right, so I'm just gonna put this back together, take a last shot, and that's pretty much it, man. It's coming out pretty good. All right, so this is the final install. Really clean, going all the way around. Very nice. Nice wire tuck. This piece came with the mirror tap, or I'm sure you could get it at Subaru. It's perfect. Now if we were to power on, there it is, we got power. All right, great. All right, so if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, please comment. If I can help, I will help. And also, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I definitely look forward to bringing you more mods. All right, have a good one, guys.